In this video, we will show you a new feature that we've added to Kobi Signs Stripes. It allows you to set station and offset when placing traffic signs. To do this, select Insert Sign Holder in the left corner of Kobi Signs Stripes ribbon. In the dialog box, choose the appropriate sign and select Insert. Now select the polyline, alignment, or feature line to which you want to attach the sign. In the command line, you'll now see an option to specify the insertion point, define station, or set a reference. We'll select station. A new dialog box opens up. Here you can define the exact station and offset. You can even lock this value, which means the sign will stay fixed at that station while you dynamically move left or right to define the offset from the alignment. Now let's insert another sign. Again, we'll select station, but this time we'll do it the other way around. First, define the offset from the alignment or polyline. Once locked, the offset stays fixed, and you can dynamically define the station by moving the mouse along the alignment. By combining fixed values with dynamic placement, this feature gives you precise control, fewer adjustments, and a more efficient design process.